Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have another Stylevana video. They have sent me those products just to show them on my channel. Those are the products that will be on offer on January 2022. I have a hair that doesn't want to cope. Now I'm going to show you briefly the products and you are going to see them in action in part 2. First we have this unique Black Snail Edition skincare set that has cream and mini serum. You get a Black Snail Restore Serum and the Black Snail Restore Cream, and the benefits of this nail cream, it's outstanding. Next we have a very heavy package. What is this? This is by iuliabrezuleanu and it's a mild acidic pH sheet mask. This is how it looks like. And I forgot to tell you guys that you know by now that all the kbeauty products, or at least what is coming from Stylevana, you have the expiration date. So the unique set expires on 2024 March 1st. This one, the sheet masks, expire on 2024 June 22. And you have 10 pieces of sheet masks. Whoa! I never had such a transparent package. You are able to see the sheet mask. This is really neat. So this is the Heart Leaf Fit. Next you have your under eye patches. I'm so into the under eye patches. I'm using currently another one, so I'm almost done with them. I'm sorry for my skin brightening hydrogel eye patches. You would imagine that I could be more efficient and open those packages prior to filming. No, I didn't. So it's coming in a pink jar. You have a spatula, like a little spoon, and those are the juicy hydrogel patches. It's a easy floral scent and they are full of moist. So my under eye area will love those. I cannot wait to try them. The eye patches expire on 2023 June 13. Next we have the Psoriasis Enriched by Nature cream. So this is a face cream. Okay, it's everything in Korean, so I cannot give you more information. Expire on 2023 April 21. It looks so lovely. This reminds me of the packaging of the Bobbi Brown Enriched Vitamin E cream. Okay, it has a whipped consistency and it has the similar scent with the hyaluronic acid or the hyaluronic cream from Hurubaru, I think it is. I'm still using that one. I love that one. It's really nice and hydrating. So it has the same lavender and I think some other lovely scents. This is a tonic toner made with pure centella from Madagascar. 30 mils here. You won't say. She's so lovely. Next I have Dalba First Spray Serum White Truffle Skincare. Okay, so this is neat. A serum in a form of a spray. This expires in 2024 January 21. Oh, and it's dual phased. This sounds lovely. Let's try it. I think you can even apply it over your makeup and it will refresh and hydrate your skin. It has a sweet scent. I swallowed a bit and I actually like it. Usually when you are getting some of your skincare in your mouth, you are not so happy, but this is nice. Then we have something from one of my favorite brands, even though I only tried their lip sleeping mask, but it's enough to know that I love the Laneige. So if you didn't know, Stylevana is stocking up Laneige and they also have better prices. I'm never going to buy the actual lip sleeping mask from other place other than Stylevana because the prices are better. The lip sleeping mask, the full size, is around $11-12 US, and with my discount code you can get up to 15% off, which is neat. So this is the Sika Sleeping Mask, calming and repairing sensitive skin, 60 mils. I'm so excited about this. I have heard such a good things. I don't know if for this or they have also a blue one, but I like green more than blue. You can tell I have green background on, and this is good until 2024 August 11. We still have products. maybe I should have started with a cleanser. This is by Castor X. I told you that they are stocking this brand. This is a water. Oh, okay, you cannot see because the expiration term is here, so it's valid until 2024. A creamy foam cleanser, which is a very good size. A eye cream, youth lasting real eye cream for face. I have another eye cream for face from this brand. I haven't ended up using her. The packaging is outstanding. You will tell that this is a $100 cream. The gold and green and like watery kind of. Oh, and look at the lid. And this is the applicator. That's really interesting. So 1 fluid ounce for an eye cream, but it's also for your face. It's good until 2023 December 30. So 2 more years almost. We have still more products. This is the kombucha Geol Biome Mist, a face mist containing beneficial ingredients to improve skin texture and strengthen skin barrier. Good until 2024 September 05. Everything is sealed and you have also the expiration date, so I highly appreciate that. This is like a toner, another toner, but in the form of a mist, and you have 100 mils, really generous, and I also love the color. It smells wonderful. I don't have my mouth open, but I can tell that it smells lovely and natural. All their products are natural, they don't use nasty ingredients, and most of the products are also cruelty-free. The second to the last product that I'm going to show you on today's video, it's a fermented complex 94 boosting essence by the brand Purito. I didn't know that Purito is also kbeauty. This is good until 2024 February 14, and it's a boosting essence. So a essence is something you use after your toner and before your moisturizer. So this has clean and gentle ingredients, fermented complex 94%, 3-in-1 pH balanced skin layer and skin tone. Also has niacinamide 3%. This is a thin liquid type essence that is specialized for moisturizing deeply into the skin. As the boosting essence for the first step of the skin care, it helps keep the skin glow and has a greater absorption effect. You should apply it with your fingers and let it absorb completely. And the last product, I'm very excited when I'm getting a sunscreen. This is by the brand Is3. Okay, so the brand is here, and it's a natural sun cream with hyaluronic acid. This is 50 ml. And is good until 2024 February 16. It contains zinc oxide. Yeah, it blends really nice. Doesn't have that harsh feeling like your usual zinc oxide or natural ingredients SPF has. So I think this will work perfectly underneath your makeup. So I'm excited about having another SPF. everything linked down below in my description box. So thank you again for taking the time to watch. Thank you Stylevana for sending me those lovely products. I'm really thankful that I had this opportunity to try and go deep into the K-beauty skincare. I almost don't use other skincare as of now. Okay guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what was your favorite product of today's video. I'll have everything linked and list down below in my description box. It will be an affiliate link. And other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. And I'm looking forward to see you again in my next video. Bye! Mwah.